I just pulled off the stock exhaust. I'm gonna be installing these 2¼ inch vibrant resonators and that 45 pipe in place of the secondary cats. Already has the PE mod done to the mufflers. While it's apart, I'm gonna be taking the drive shaft out of it and stuff to install this CoolerWorx Pro short shifter I got for it. Was not cheap. Should be able to go through gears pretty quick with that. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be installing these upgraded trans mounts. Here's the new vibrant resonators welded in place. Just kind of did a quick sand job on it and put the clear on.